So this is the Wilkinson. I took it to Armageddon today, but unfortunately, couldn't clear it with the prop check people. They actually had it in under my shirt. I put it on the table. She said get it out of here right now, and I took it straight back to the car, and it was in the car for the rest of the day. But this is the Wilkinson percussion pistol. So it's genuine. It's a family heirloom, and I'm just going to do a detailed video. You can see the dents on it, real clear, and it's the fighting that was done with it, bashed, and you can see the battle wear on the end of it would have been used to got on dents, war battle scars, and taking a close look at it. It was the best way to by video. Was the best way to show it off, really, is to take a good video of it here. The family history that this has, I would like to know more about this weapon. A Wilkinson. It's in New Zealand, Auckland, and it was my grandfather's, and I don't know where he got it from or the history of this pistol. You can see the screws and bits and pieces. There's the percussion part of it. It would have gone click, 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 and then it would have done that. Some battle wear on it, and it's the wood grains on it. So a Wilkinson, been in the Robinson family, and I would like to know anybody who knows about this brand. Any information on this would be fantastic, please. If anyone in the world can tell me more about this history of this pistol, it would be really fantastic if somebody could, if there's any historical records out there about this. It's quite heavy, and I could imagine that you would have, done some clubbing with it, and so this is a close-up view of it. You can see that you can look. This is what it. So so there it is. I'm just in a car park, looking at it. I'm just going to return it to my father now, and that is the look at the wood grains. I'll show you the grains of it. The battle wear there, and this is where they put the push pin there. That it was a bit of a hole in there, and did this kill people? Probably. It looks like it. It probably did. This is the Wilkinson pistol, so I don't know much about them, so please somebody shed some light on them. Thank you. There you go. Now I'm taking it, it's going home. Back to my father's. Thank you for watching, and in the comments please shed some light onto the Wilkinson percussion cap pistol. Thank you.